Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving down to look at the Port Royal Street project. Some persons refer to it as the Kingston Waterfront project, but the official name is the the Port Royal Street Revampment Project. So we're going to take a look at it. So we are on South Camp Road now, heading towards Port Royal Street. So this is the central Kingston area, and this area is known as Raytown. Okay, at this intersection, the cars coming up. The cars you see on the right, that's Harbour Street. It's a one-way. And straight ahead is the Kingston Harbour. And there's a roundabout. The first left takes you onto Port Royal Street. The second left takes you, or if you continue around the roundabout, you also go on Port Royal Street, but you head into downtown Kingston. Okay, so we are going on to Port Royal Street now. If we continued around the roundabout, it would also be Port Royal Street. As you can see, it's very nicely done. 6 lanes. The road is finally painted. I have no idea why it takes so long to paint these roads in Jamaica. On the right is a parking space where you can park up to walk on the boardwalk or to go fishing. That brick building on the left that we just passed, that's the General Penitentiary, or what they call GP. It's a prison in Jamaica. And a lot of persons have said that it's an eyesore because the area is being renovated so nicely. And I heard from a subscriber that something is in the works to move the prison. It's not something that's going to be immediate. They're looking into see how they can move it. But when the conversation came up at first, it was the cost associated with moving the prison, why they said they wouldn't move it, or they weren't able to move it because it would be so expensive. Alright, so we're going to turn back around now and take a look at the project. Okay, so straight ahead, that's the Raytown fishing village, and there's a beach back there where the fishermen go out and do fishing and then come back in and sell it out there. Of course, in Jamaica, you park anywhere, so you see that blue car literally parked in the road. I mean, it happens so often. You have to wonder if if there's a traffic division in Jamaica still that drives around and gives tickets. Because it's so often you see persons just stop anywhere, middle of the road, and I don't know. Alright, straight ahead is the Kingston Harbour. Very nice harbour. It's the 7th largest natural harbour in the world, and it's protected by land on most sides, so it's perfect for ships coming in. And they have docks along the harbour. That's what I mean by a natural harbour. It's protected by land on some sides. So let's reverse. So part of the project was to reinforce the shoreline. So you can see they put in the stones, and that was a part of the Port Royal Street project. Another part was to renovate the road here and to build a boardwalk, and to build a part where persons can park to go fishing and walk on the boardwalk. This boardwalk, one was built like this on the Palisades Strip, and it's very popular, so they're hoping this one will become as popular. Now this project is, I guess you could say, 99% finished. It's just some street lamps left to be put in. But the road is actually finished, and it's a very nice road, very nicely done. There's a nice sign that says welcome to Downtown Kingston. So here's a very nice view of Downtown Kingston. Now, for some reason, the road, the nice road, you should say, stops right there. Now you're going on to the original road. It's a pity they didn't renovate the entire road or pave this entire section of Port Royal Street. Ahead on the left is the Scotia Center, and that's the second tallest building in Jamaica. Now, the Kingston Harbour, the waterfront, basically the Ocean Boulevard is right on over the main road, right by the harbour. And you have some of the tallest buildings in Jamaica on that road because it overlooks the harbour. It's prime real estate. So we're going to take a look at that in a little bit. But we're on Port Royal Street, and we're going through. Port Royal Street runs right through Downtown Kingston, from Central Kingston all the way through Downtown Kingston to Marcus Garvey Drive. Now this is Downtown Kingston. It's in the parish of Kingston. This area is in the parish of Kingston, but it's also a part of the city of Kingston. So a lot of persons don't differentiate the city of Kingston different from the parish of Kingston. Most persons just say Kingston. But the parish of Kingston is the smallest parish in Jamaica, and it consists of Downtown Kingston, where we are now, and Port Royal. That's the parish of Kingston. The city of Kingston includes parts of the parish of St. Andrew as well as parts of the parish of Kingston. So that's why the city is so much bigger. The city has almost 1 million people in it, and the parish of Kingston has about 90,000 people in it. And from as far as I can remember, people just say Kingston. Most persons don't even realize that or make the differentiation between the two, the parish and the city. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.